How to delete Facebook account permanently. Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I am showing that how to delete Facebook account permanently. First of all, open the Facebook app. Now click on the three dots and click on a setting icon. In the settings, click on the account center. In the account center you can see account settings. Click on a personal details. In the personal details, choose the fourth option, account ownership and control. Click on it. Now click on deactivation or deletion. Click on profile and you choose deactivate or delete account. I choose delete account. Click on continue. Click on continue. Choose anything reason. Click on continue. Click on continue. Continue and enter your password and click continue and that's it. Your Facebook account will delete permanently. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such helpful videos.